Alright guys, check this out. In Haskell, the $ operator can be used to be a handy tool for making your code cleaner and easier to read. Let me give you an example. Let's open the GHCI, the interpreter for the Glasgow Haskell compiler, and let's check out the square root. So you want to have the square root for 1 plus 2 plus 3. Check this out, that's going to be 2.44. Now you can omit the parentheses and you can do instead square root with the $ 1 plus 2 plus 3, and that's going to give you the exact same thing. So both expressions are equivalent, but the one with $ is often easier to read, especially when chaining multiple functions. And if you want to do print square root, and you have here 1 again plus 2 plus 3, you close that, you have here 2.44 again, and if you want to substitute the parentheses, you can omit totally those parentheses, but in front of the one you will have $, and in front of the square root you will have other $, hit enter, and you will get the same exact result. So now we have a conclusion. The $ is a function application operator in Haskell, and it reduces the need for parentheses. It also helps in making the code cleaner and more readable. Let me give you a final example before wrapping up this video. If you want to map negative dot abs or absolute for a list of different numbers or different values, and you want to map the negate.abs to all of those values in order to make them all negative. So you will have 1, let's say you have -2, you have -10, you have 5, you have 67. Okay, so this is the list. If you will hit enter, you will have all of the values inside that list negative. You can do the exact same thing with the $, but you will not omit the parentheses of the negate.abs function, and it's going to give you the exact same result. I love this language.